Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll be diving into the details of the 20STC HTCC Bulldozer, a powerful and efficient machine designed for heavy-duty construction and earth-moving tasks. Whether you're in the construction industry or just interested in heavy machinery, this bulldozer stands out with its advanced features and capabilities. The 20STC HTCC Bulldozer is equipped with a high-performance engine that delivers exceptional power and efficiency. This engine is designed to handle the most demanding jobs, ensuring smooth operation even under extreme conditions. With its advanced cooling system, the bulldozer can operate for long hours without overheating, making it a reliable choice for large-scale projects. One of the standout features of this bulldozer is its strong and durable blade. Made from high-quality materials, the blade is designed to cut through tough terrain, push heavy loads, and level surfaces with precision. The hydraulic system allows for smooth and responsive blade control, giving operators the flexibility to make precise adjustments according to the requirements of the job. The 20STC HTCC Bulldozer also features an advanced transmission system that enhances its overall performance. The transmission is designed to provide smooth gear shifting and optimal power distribution, allowing the machine to operate efficiently in different terrains. Whether it's muddy, rocky, or uneven ground, this bulldozer can handle it all with ease. Operator comfort is another key aspect of this machine. The cabin is designed with ergonomics in mind, offering a spacious and comfortable workspace for the operator. With adjustable seating, intuitive controls, and a user-friendly interface, the bulldozer ensures that the operator can work efficiently for extended periods without fatigue. Additionally, the cabin is equipped with noise reduction technology, providing a quieter working environment. When it comes to safety, the 20STC HTCC Bulldozer is built with multiple safety features to protect the operator and those working around the machine. It includes an advanced braking system, emergency stop functions, and enhanced visibility features such as large mirrors and high-quality lighting. These features help minimize accidents and ensure safe operation on construction sites. Fuel efficiency is another major advantage of this bulldozer. With its modern engine technology and optimized fuel consumption, it delivers excellent performance while reducing operational costs. This makes it an ideal choice for companies looking to maximize productivity without significantly increasing fuel expenses. The bulldozer's maintenance is also designed to be simple and cost-effective. With easily accessible service points and a robust build, regular maintenance tasks such as oil changes, filter replacements, and system checks can be carried out with minimal downtime. This ensures that the machine remains in top condition for longer, reducing overall ownership costs. In terms of versatility, the 20STC HTCC Bulldozer can be equipped with various attachments to suit different applications. Whether it's a ripper for breaking hard surfaces, a winch for pulling heavy loads, or a special blade for precision grading, this bulldozer can be customized to meet specific job requirements. Overall, the 20STC HTCC Bulldozer is a reliable, powerful, and efficient machine that is well suited for a wide range of construction and earth-moving tasks. Its combination of performance, durability, safety, and fuel efficiency makes it a valuable asset for any construction project. If you're looking for a bulldozer that delivers top-tier performance and long-term reliability, this model is definitely worth considering. That's all for today's video. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's any other heavy machinery you'd like me to cover in future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.